everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Look for Less challenge. It is hosted monthly by Yami from the Latina next door, and her co-host this month is Lisa Burningham. As usual, I will leave the link to their channels and the playlist in the description box, so please, after watching this video, pay a visit to the channels and watch the videos in the playlist. So you will get a lot of inspiration, and you will also help us YouTubers to grow our channels. The Look for Less challenge is about finding a piece of the cord that we like, but we are not ready to pay the full price because we think we can recreate it for less money. I have to apologize for the quality of the picture, but I have a new computer. I don't have Photoshop in this new computer, so I'm still trying to work out some editors to get the same quality I had before. But you can see these 3 ornaments from Kirkland's. They are made of galvanized metal. They come in a set of 3, and the price is $17.99, doesn't include the shipping. So I thought I can do something similar for less money. I have this cardboard that, as you can see, can look like metal. I have used this in 2 other DIYs before. What I do is I paint it with this flat soft iron Rust-Oleum spray paint, and I paint it in the front and in the back, and then I cut these pieces to make the ornament. As you can see, they really look like metal. So I need for these ornaments 4 pieces that are 10.5 inches long. So after cutting them, I made a hole, I made a mark in the middle of this strip of cardboard, and I made a hole with the tip of these small scissors, like so, and I repeated it in each of these pieces because I'm going to join them together with this brad. I wanted the ones that are plain here, but I didn't have them, so I had to use these ones that looks like a screw. So I'm going to just insert them like so. It doesn't matter how they look because I will spread them after I have the 4 of them. Placed here. So now I'm going to open these flaps to assure firmly these pieces. You can add some glue. I didn't need it because I already have the other 2 finished. I will show you them later. And now it's a matter of adhering this together. The first one I'm going to overlap each end, but I'm not going to overlap the others. Oh, it's a lot of glue gun. Hot glue, sorry. It's really hot. Because otherwise I will show you what happened to me with the first one when I overlap every single piece. Let me clean this before it dries completely. Oh, I have a lot of hot glue in my finger now, but if I wait, then I will probably ruin the paint. So I will try to accommodate them each side for this not to be seen. Anyway, it's transparent, so okay. The first one I made, I overlapped each piece, and as you can see, it doesn't look good. So all the other ones have to touch each other, if you know what I mean. Let me see which is the next one. This one. Let me change this. Okay, because I want the second one to be the one that goes across. So what I have to do now is to glue them like this. Each tip has to touch the other one, not to overlap. And then I'll do the same with the others. So I'm going to do this off camera because, let me show you this one, and then I'll glue the other ones off camera because it's simple but takes a little bit of time, and you know how to do it. You don't need me to show you how to do this. I'm going to do this one only. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. And then I'm going to place the other ones here and here, and the same with this one. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that everything is glued in place, I'm going to add sorry, the decorations. In the original, the greenery is on top of the bow, but I didn't have this kind of greenery that is smaller. I also didn't have these bells that are little. I had these ones that are bigger, but that's what I have. And I have these ones, these pieces of greenery that are larger than the other ones. So I'm going to add the greenery first and then the bow. So let's do this. Okay, now let's place this here, and let me see, this is the side I like the most to be the front of the ornament. So now I'm going to add the bow. Let me move this there. I like it better. So let's add the bow. Oops, I got burnt. That's because I'm not using my protectors. I have them here and I don't use them. So let me use one now. I deserve the burnt. I found out that they don't work if you don't wear them. Being there, they don't work. So now I'm going to place the bell here. I also, you will see later, didn't have 3 in this color that is bronze, or copper, is copper. I had 2 copper and 1 gold. So this is going to be the one that is going to go in the center. So I have to use the gold one because it's the one I have. I need another stick. Oh, more and more dry hot glue. Okay, let's add the bell. Like so. Let's wait for a second. Oh, again. Okay, I think it's, yes, it is. I'm going to get a little bit this side because it's much longer than the other one. Okay, here we go. And now I have to add some twine to be able to hang this ornament. I want you to see how it looks. I think it looks really pretty. It's not exactly like the inspiration, but you know, it's almost zero because I have everything at hand. So I'm spending no money in this. So let me place the twine inside the ornament. It requires some patience. Here we go. And then I'm going to tie it like so. With a couple of knots. And here we have our ornament that I'm going to hang from kind of a branch that I made using 2 picks from Dollar Tree that I will show you right now. As you can see now, I used 2 picks from Dollar Tree and I glued them in the middle, and then I tied the other 2 ornaments that I had already made and the one that I made in camera to this branch, and it looks very similar to the inspiration. So I hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Yami and to Lisa for hosting and co-hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and the videos in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.